your Monday. We've already had a round of storms move through the area. A little damp out there right now. Here's Michelle with more what we expect for the rest of the day.
Now, we do have that added risk of a shower or thunderstorm for today. We're still tracking some activity on live Doppler radar. I'm going to show you that. We also have the hot, humid weather continuing. Today is the day we expect it to make an official heat wave, the third consecutive day at 90 degrees or higher. Similar temperatures to what we had yesterday, lower to mid 90s. We're starting off the morning in the middle 70s right now in Providence, Taunton, 75 in Smithfield, and middle 70s in Westerly. Newport has some rain moving through. The fog has lifted some, at least. That's one benefit of these showers, and you can see them stretching across the East Bay right now into Fall River and New Bedford. The thunderstorms that were associated with those, mostly now the cloud to ground lightning strikes well offshore of south of Block Island. But keeping an eye on more activity that's popping up over Connecticut this morning. As that moves to the east, we could see some additional isolated showers or thunderstorms for today. So a heat advisory in effect again this afternoon for most of our area. It goes until 8 o'clock this evening, and the reason why, the heat index, it's going to soar today even higher than what we had yesterday because the humidity is going to be higher. So by 10 o'clock feels like it's in the lower 90s. By lunchtime, 101. 2 o'clock this afternoon, the heat index up to 100 to 105, and at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, even 6 o'clock, still some of that triple digit heat indices. Let's talk temperatures. 9:30 this morning, isolated showers and storms into already the lower and mid 80s as skies brighten up this afternoon. We have to watch for those isolated showers and thunderstorms. Anywhere you see the 80s inland, those are due to some of those isolated showers and storms. So when it's not raining, we'll see the temperatures into the lower and mid 90s. I don't expect a washout today, but I do expect there to be just an isolated, a hit or miss storm all the way into the late afternoon and early evening hours. Once that clears out, you're going to notice a change in the air overnight. The humidity is going to start to drop, and that's behind a cold front. That front's still to the west of us this morning. As it marches eastward, it acts as the focus point for those isolated storms to fire up this afternoon and this evening again. And notice most of the activity is well inland. Overnight tonight, expect us to drop down to around 71 degrees, turning less humid with those clearing skies. Dew points fall for Tuesday. It's going to be one of the more comfortable days this work week with dew points into the lower 60s. It'll feel more comfortable than what we've had over the last few days. So instead of the heat index near 100, the heat index tomorrow in the lower to mid 90s, very close to what the air temperature is. Then on Wednesday, we only fall a few degrees, but the humidity is back on the rise. Both Wednesday and Thursday have the chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Better chance Thursday compared to Wednesday.